Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to enable slow motion video in your Vivo Y15. So let's take a look how to do that. In Vivo Y15 you can easily take a video record with slow motion. So in order to do that, you need to open your apps, camera apps. After click on camera apps, I'm going to choose here the videos. So in your video section, you will see something in the upper side. There is some icon which is like a clock. So you're going to click that, and when you click that, it will find here something different options. So for example, we're going to want to enable slow motion video, so I'm going to choose that slow motion video, and now I'm going to click this record icon, and whatever I'm going to doing the activities, you can see I'm just removing or opening or removing my finger, and this device is going to be record the slow motion. So let me try to I stop the video and let me try to play the video, and let's see is it recording slow motion or not. You can see this is the video just now I had to, and I bring my hand to, let me see, you can see this is my hand and how slowly the hand is moving. I did with all this normal speed, but in this video this is a recording with the slow motion. So this is how we can easily record your video slow motion in your Vivo Y15. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.